In less than 60 seconds, here's how you can determine the best option for surgical prophylaxis for a patient undergoing a knee replacement who experienced anaphylaxis after receiving Cefazolin for a previous knee replacement. Information about surgical prophylaxis can be located by using the prevention button here on the home screen. After scrolling down, I'll select the Surgical Infections Prevention folder to see all of the available options. Since a knee replacement is an orthopedic procedure, I'll tap that item. As I scroll down this page, I see the clinical setting information, etiologies, primary regimens, alternative regimens, and comments. Under primary regimens, I see that cefazolin is the preferred option, but my patient experienced anaphylaxis the last time they received cefazolin, so I don't want to use that. I'll scroll to alternative regimens. It looks like I need to use vancomycin 1 gram as a single dose since my patient weighs less than 90 kilograms. But I also see a note below that I may need to add another agent for gram-negative coverage. I'll need to check with the hospital to see if gram-negative infections have been common following orthopedic procedures at this location.